Baby Bubu. Let's learn and play. Roar! Look at the red lion. Can you say red? A blue penguin. Can you say blue? Ribbit. A green frog. Can you say green? Quack. A fuzzy yellow duckling. Can you say yellow? Orange. A brave orange tiger. Can you say orange? A purple octopus. Can you say purple? Look, a pink flamingo. Can you say pink? Meow. A sleek black cat. Can you say black? Hup, hup. Look at the fuzzy white bunny. Can you say white? Look, a doll. What color is it? It's red. Can you say red? Red. Blue. A blue doll in the water. Can you say blue? Green. Look, a green doll. Can you say green? Yellow. A bright yellow doll. Can you say yellow? Orange. A sweet orange doll. Can you say orange? Purple. A pretty purple doll. Can you say purple? Pink. A beautiful pink doll. Can you say pink? Vroom. A fast red car. Can you say red? Clank. A strong yellow bulldozer. Can you say yellow? Wee woo! A fast blue police car. Can you say blue? Chug chug. A big green tractor. Can you say green? A helpful white ambulance. Can you say white? A heavy black steamroller. Can you say black? Beep beep. A pretty purple car. Can you say purple? Yay! A beautiful pink car. Can you say pink? Wow! Look! Red. Can you say red? Red! Ooh, big blue whale. Say it with me, blue, blue. Fast green car. Vroom. Can you say green? Yellow. Yellow cupcake. Can you say yellow? Red. Red. Look! Green. Can you say green? This is yellow. Yellow like my shirt. Orange. Orange. Do you like orange? Purple. Look at the purple bear. Red. A big red truck. Can you say red? Green. Yummy green food. Say it with me. Green. I had so much fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.